Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbook. It's the same as the previous question, except they changed the pressure to 80 kPa. Everything else is the same. So we're going to go through it pretty quickly. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Go do the previous question. This will help you do this question. Alright, step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. All the variables are the same. We're trying to find the heat transfer rate, so that is Q dot, otherwise known as power. Step 3, find the heat transfer rate formula, so capital Q dot is equal to mass flow rate multiplied by the enthalpy of evaporation, HFG. Step 4, find the mass flow rate formula. M dot is equal to mass divided by change in time. Step 5, find the mass of evaporation formula. So M is equal to capital V, the actual volume, divided by specific volume. All of this is the same. Step 6, find the evaporation volume formula, area times length. Step 7, plug and play. So the values haven't changed. So the volume still remains as 0.005840 meters cubed. Step 8, this is where things change. Since it's 80 kPa, we go to the pressure table. So it's in between. You know what that means. We need to linear interpolate. So we want to find the specific volume. Step 9, linear interpolate. This is the general formula for the ratio method of linear interpolation. So we've got 100 kPa minus 75, 100 minus 80. On the right, we've got our specific volumes, max and minimum. So the specific volume at 80 kPa is 0.0010382 meters cubed per kilogram. Step 10, find the mass of evaporation. So your mass will be slightly different, but very similar still. So it is 5.625 kilograms. Step 11, find the mass flow rate. It'll be 0.00203808 kilograms per second. Step 12, find the enthalpy of evaporation, HFG. Once again, it's in between, so we need to linear interpolate. So HFG at 80 kPa, once you've done your linear interpolation, is 2,273.9 kilojoules per kilogram. Finally, step 13, we can backtrack and find the heat transfer rate, capital Q dot. So we get 4.634 kilowatts as the final answer for the heat transfer rate. Disclaimers, the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program, click on video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.